Welcome to my kitchen! Today on my Cooking at Home culinary show, I'll be making a creamy, smoky eggplant dip that originates from Middle Eastern and Mediterranean cuisine. You'll see the list of ingredients on the screen, and you can also find it in the description below the video. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to support my channel. Let's start with the eggplants. First, I'm going to make some random cuts all around them with a knife. You'll need to do this no matter how you plan to cook them, in the oven, on the grill, or directly on the stove burner like I will. Eggplants have a lot of moisture inside, and as that moisture heats up and turns to steam, it needs a way to escape. I'll show you how to cook the eggplants on a stove, perfect if you don't have a grill or if the weather isn't suitable for outdoor cooking. You can bake them in the oven for a hassle-free experience, but you'll miss that spectacular smoky flavor that gives Baba Ganoush its unique character. So, I recommend following my method. First, I'll remove the stove grates and cover the surface with aluminum foil to make cleanup easier. Don't forget to cut an opening in the foil for the burner itself, like this. Now turn on the heat. Take the first eggplant with metal tongs, a fork, or any heat-safe utensil and place it directly over the flame. Turn it occasionally so it cooks evenly. Don't worry if the skin gets burned. This is actually the goal. It'll char on the outside while cooking on the inside. We'll remove the skin later, and that charred flavor will stay with the flesh and give it that wonderful smokiness. You may also see some liquid bubbling out of the cuts. That's totally normal. It usually takes 8 to 10 minutes per eggplant to cook thoroughly. You'll feel how soft they become. To be sure, place one on a plate and poke it with a knife. When it's soft even in the thickest part, it's done. Right after it's cooked, place the eggplant in a plastic bag. This will help loosen the skin, making it easier to peel. Repeat the same process with the second eggplant. While the eggplants are resting and cooling down a bit in the bag, let's prepare the rest of the ingredients. Start with the garlic. Peel it, crush it with a knife like this, and then finely dice it. Peel, cut, and dice half an onion and half a red bell pepper. I'm also using a bit of hot pepper, that's optional. Next, dice half a tomato. Finally, chop your herbs. I'm using fresh cilantro. Now, back to our eggplants. Peel off the charred skin. You can use a knife if needed. And cut off the stem ends. Once they're fully skinned, place them in a bowl and mash with a fork. You can also use a food processor, but I personally prefer the texture when it's mashed by hand. Totally up to you. Mash them thoroughly. Then mix in all the chopped veggies we prepared earlier. except for cilantro. Leave it for later as a garnish. Stir it all together with a spoon. Add the juice from half a lemon, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and some crushed black pepper. Taste and adjust the salt if needed. And now for the final step, stir in 2 teaspoons of tahini. And that's it. Your Baba Ganoush is ready. Transfer it to a serving dish and garnish with chopped cilantro or any other greens you like.
Traditionally, Baba Ganoush is eaten with flatbread like pita. I've toasted mine a bit and torn it into smaller pieces so it's easier to scoop the dip. Bon appetit! Enjoy! Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!